Hi and welcome to Pallavi's StockLens. So today is 1st September, first day of the month, a Monday, and a good start for the markets. So let's see, why did benchmark indices rise today? So both Sensex and Nifty rose today for almost a percent, a little less than that. So Sensex gained around 0.7% and Nifty gained around 0.8%. So this has happened after 3 days of continuous losses. So many factors have played simultaneous role in the markets rising today. So first is that the US court called Trump's tariff implementation as illegal and that he has exercised it beyond his powers. So although time has been given till October 14, 2025 this year for Trump to appeal to the Supreme Court against this, which means that until such period, current tariff will be applicable. Still, it is a temporary relief, given that although not a guarantee, but at least there is now some hope that perhaps these additional tariffs can be gotten rid of. Maybe we'll get away with these additional tariffs at least by October end or October mid, is the hope that has been rising. All right. But some Trump tariff impact will be there in the current quarter because Trump tariff has become effective since 27th of August and at least for 3.5 months until October mid or October end, it has to be borne with. And after that, perhaps we can expect some solid relief coming in from the US court. All right. Second issue, if you see, Indian Prime Minister has met Chinese President Xi Jinping and Russian President Vladimir Putin at the SEO summit. So, because of Trump, India's economic friendship with China seeing a sudden huge spike, and India's economic friendship with Russia is getting more warmer. All right. So, given US is seeing these increasing friendships as a threat to them, it will probably soften unpredictable Trump's stern stand towards India. And that is a plus for India and Indian markets. This, added with US court statement as to Trump's tariffs are illegal, has given a boost to the markets. So another update that has come in after market hours today is that US appears to be trying to mend things with India, and the US embassy in India has put up on X stating the enduring friendship between our two peoples is the bedrock of our cooperation and propels us forward as we realize the tremendous potential of our economic relationship. Rubio was quoted in the social media post by the embassy. The embassy post said, the partnership between the United States and India continues to reach new heights, a defining relationship of the 21st century. Now, this appears to be a very strong statement, defining relationship of the 21st century. This month, we are spotlighting the people, progress, and possibilities driving us forward, from innovation and entrepreneurship to defense and bilateral ties. So this does look like an effort to mend things, and this will further boost market sentiment. So another reason why the market sentiment is boosted is because of the strong GDP quarterly growth numbers that came in, and that has definitely given a good boost. But if you look deeply, this GDP quarterly numbers grew because of factors which you cannot call as purely 100% organic, but nevertheless they are good numbers and they boosted market sentiment, and it has projected a good image for the country, especially at a time when Trump is pressurizing with tariffs and that he's called India a dead economy. So it's all good. So another reason for today's market surge is strong auto numbers for August that came in, and that has also supported market sentiment. And many automakers have reported strong sales numbers for August 2025, and because of which the stock prices have risen, and that has boosted overall index as well. Okay. And another reason that we know is GST reforms that are soon to be implemented. And so simplification into two tax slabs at 5% and 18%, and then probably classifying the ultra luxury goods into the 40% category. So rate cuts in 5% and 18% category will increase demand, increase consumption, therefore contribute to economy growth, contribute to GDP growth as well as reduce impact of Trump's tariff implications, that is additional tariffs, which also looks quite temporary given US court has said it is illegal and given a US embassy in India is trying to mend relations. So that is also a plus. So these are all the factors, and US embassy in India putting up on X is another factor that will further boost things for market. So these are all the reasons why market has surged today, and let's see how it goes further.